In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save an Excel file as a template. Saving a file as a template, it means you want to reuse the file over and over again without having to mess with the original file. So if you have an Excel file you want to be using periodically, for instance weekly, monthly, quarterly or whatever, you can save the original as a template so that each time you open the original template, you get a fresh file to start working with, instead of trying to remove values and figures from the old file in order to get a fresh file to work with. So I'm going to be using this petty cash book as an example in this tutorial. What this petty cash can do is that you can use it to manage your income and expenditure, either for your personal needs or if you have a small business, you can use it to track your income and expenditure. So for instance, if I enter a particular amount under receipts, that is under balance, let's say 400, hit enter, you see that the balance will run through. If I enter maybe a second income or an amount I've received from a customer, which is $50, I enter, the $50 will be added to the existing 400 and the balance will run through. Let's assume on the third day there's an expenditure I've incurred, which is $30. If I press enter, the $30 will now be subtracted from the 450, giving me $420, and you see that the balance will run through. Awesome. So this system is called a running balance, which you can use it to create an income and expenditure account for yourself, a receipts and payments, or deposits and withdrawals account. If you want to create a system like this for your personal needs or business, I have a video link in the description down below which will show you step by step as to how you can create this same system for yourself. Without wasting further time, let me show you how you can save your Excel file as a template so that you can be able to reuse it over and over again. So I'll just do away with the figures I've entered, and to save my Excel file as a template, I go over to File, then I go ahead and click on Save As. Under Save As, I choose Browse to choose a location for my file. From here, you can give your file a name, so I'll just call it Income and Expenditure Template. Under Save As type, I drop down the arrow, then from this list, I go ahead and choose Excel Templates. Take notice of the location where your file will be saved. In my case, it's going to the custom office template, which is inside the documents folder. I go ahead and click on Save. And you will now see the new name on top right here. Awesome. Now if I go ahead and close it, then I try to open the template again. I have it right here, Income Expenditure Template. I open it up. It will give me a new name, which is Income and Expenditure Template 1. So this is different from the original file we have saved. With this, you can begin to enter your income and expenditure for the new month. So let's assume I have some figures for the new month. Then I try to close this. I can go ahead and save it, and it will be Income and Expenditure Template 1. You can decide to give it a new name, maybe Income and Expenditure for February. Then I go ahead and save it. Now if I go ahead and open the Income and Expenditure Template, you see that I don't have the figures I've entered for the month of February, and the new name will be Income and Expenditure Template 1 again. So that's it on how you can save your Excel file as a template so that you'll be able to use it over and over again. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly give it a like, and also do subscribe to our channel if you are new here. In the meantime, stick around to watch the video where we show you how you can create an income and expenditure account sheet using Excel. Keep watching and we'll see you in that video.